Understanding Jasmine Rice, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, Jasmine Rice. This is a common term in cooking and cuisine, and understanding it can enrich your English vocabulary, especially if you love food. Jasmine rice is a type of long-grain rice. It's named after the jasmine flower because of its fragrant aroma, which is somewhat similar to the scent of jasmine. Originating from Thailand, it's a staple in Southeast Asian cuisine. Jasmine rice is known for its silky, slightly sticky texture when cooked, making it perfect for dishes like curries and stir-fries. Jasmine rice is incredibly versatile. It's often used in Asian dishes. It's a base for many Thai and Vietnamese recipes. Fried rice. Its texture holds up well when fried with vegetables and meats. Desserts. In some cultures, it's used in sweet dishes, combined with coconut milk and sugar. Apart from its culinary uses, jasmine rice holds a cultural significance in many Asian countries. It's a symbol of nourishment and often associated with hospitality and warmth. Understanding this can give you a deeper appreciation for the phrase when you encounter it in English literature or conversations. I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Understanding phrases like Jasmine rice can make learning English fun and practical, especially for food enthusiasts. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about the culture and stories behind them. Happy learning and see you in our next video.